Welcome back to IELTS Pathshala. Today we are diving into technology vocabulary, a must-know for essays on AI, cybersecurity, or digital transformation. By the end, you will have 15 plus band 7 or higher words to impress examiners. Grab your notebook. Let's begin. Let's start with core vocabulary. Write this down. Artificial intelligence. Machines that mimic human thinking. Example, AI is revolutionizing healthcare with faster diagnosis. Cybersecurity. Protecting systems from online attacks. Example, strong cybersecurity prevents hacking. Digital divide, the gap between people with and without tech access. Example, rural areas suffer from the digital divide. Automation, using machines instead of humans. Example, automation reduces factory jobs but boosts efficiency. Innovation, new ideas or methods. Example, tech innovation drives economic growth. These words are essential for IELTS essays. Next, advanced vocabulary for Band 7 plus. Machine learning, AI that improves through data. Example, machine learning helps Spotify recommend songs. Blockchain, a secure digital record system. Example, blockchain ensures transparent Bitcoin transaction. Internet of Things, everyday devices connected online. Example, smart fridges are part of the Internet of Things. Big data, huge datasets analyzed for patterns. Example, big data helps predict consumer trends. Disruptive technology, innovations replacing old systems. Example, streaming services are disruptive technology. Use these to impress examiners. Idioms make your English sound natural. Cutting edge, very advanced. Example, this lab uses cutting edge robotics. Go viral, spread quickly online. Example, the meme went viral overnight. Tech savvy, skilled with technology. Example, Gen Z is highly tech savvy. Plug and play, easy to use immediately. Example, USB drives are plug and play. In the cloud, stored online. Example, photos saved in the cloud are secure. Add these to your speaking answers. Finally, collocations for Band 9 writing. Develop an app. Create software. Example, she developed an app for fitness tracking. Implement technology. Start using tech. Example, schools must implement technology effectively. Harness data. Use data strategically. Example, companies harness data to predict sales. Cyber attack, digital hacking attempt. Example, the bank faced a major cyber attack. Digital transformation, adopting digital tools. Example, digital transformation is key for businesses. Avoid mistakes like make an app, use develop instead. Time to practice. Here is an essay question. Pause and write a paragraph using 3 to 4 words we learned. For example, while cutting edge tech like social media connects people globally, The digital divide isolates those without access. Governments must harness data to address this gap. Pause now and try yours. Great job! Revise these words daily. Share your practice sentences below. I'll reply. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab your free PDF cheat sheet. Link below. Next up, healthcare vocabulary. See you there.